White vinegar soaks and citric acid cleaners are effective and gentle alternatives to bleach for removing mineral deposits in toilets. White vinegar works because its acetic acid dissolves calcium and magnesium buildup. Pour 2 cups of white vinegar into the bowl, let it sit for at least 4 hours or overnight, then scrub with a firm toilet brush and flush. For stubborn rings, heat the vinegar gently until warm but not boiling, and repeat the soak for faster breakdown of scale. Citric acid powder is concentrated and safe for porcelain. Sprinkle 2 to 3 tablespoons around the ring, add enough hot water to dissolve it, wait 1 to 3 hours, then scrub and flush. For regular maintenance, add a half cup of white vinegar to the tank monthly and run a full flush to circulate the acid through the bowl without using harsh chemicals. Commercial limescale removers, labeled safe for porcelain, are formulated with milder acids such as lactic or phosphoric acid. Follow the manufacturer instructions, use gloves, ventilate the bathroom, and never mix with bleach or ammonia. When using any acid cleaner, protect rubber seals and plastic parts by limiting exposure time and rinsing thoroughly after treatment. Common mistakes include leaving acidic cleaners on rubber seals too long, which can degrade flappers and gaskets, so always rinse the tank and run several flushes after treatment to remove residue. Another issue is scrubbing with metal tools that scratch porcelain surfaces and create pits where minerals reaccumulate, so always use a non-metal brush or nylon scouring pad. A third concern is combining products and creating harmful fumes, so never mix vinegar, citric acid, or commercial limescale removers with bleach or ammonia, and always ventilate the room while cleaning. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and lets us share and discover practical maintenance tips, like these for safer cleaning choices. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we can ask questions, read real experiences, and help contractors find work through direct homeowner engagement.